Hello and welcome to my channel. I am going to do Excel chapter 3 mid-level 1 airports. Basically this is the third chapter of Excel section of my IT lab course. I will do this assignment step by step and you can get your assignment done by watching this video. If you want me to do your assignments, if you want me to do your complete course including Excel assignments, Word assignments, PowerPoint assignments or Access assignments, please contact me on WhatsApp, email or WeChat ID mentioned in the description of this video. You can hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics, statistics, programming, and information technology. I have been doing this course since 2015 and you can hire me. My WhatsApp and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. Just contact me and I will be doing this course for you and I will produce a grade for you. In this video, I will solve this assignment step by step and you can get your assignment done by watching this video. So let's start this assignment and solve this assignment now. So the title of the assignment is EXP22 Excel Chapter 3 Mid-Level 1 Airports. This is the title of this assignment and this is the third chapter of Excel section. At start of the instructions, you can see this project description. Please read this project description so that you can get an idea about the assignment. And main part of the instruction or main part of the assignment is starting from the step 1 and there are total 17 steps in this assignment and we are supposed to solve those 17 steps to complete this assignment. When you will read this project description, you will get an idea about the assignment. So please read this and I will directly move to step number 1 of the assignment, that is the main part of this assignment. Start Excel, download and open the file named EXP22 Excel Chapter 3 Mid-Level 1 Airports. Creator has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file. So this is the Excel sheet that we are supposed to complete this assignment. And you can download this Excel sheet from your MyITLab dashboard and Excel will automatically add your first name or last name at the beginning of this file name. So we are supposed to solve each and everything in this Excel workbook. So that is all about step number 1. We will move to step number 2 now. You want to create a clustered column chart to depict the passenger count at the 6 airport over several years. Create a clustered column chart for the range A4 up to L10. Cut the chart and paste it in cell A15. So now basically in step number 2, we are supposed to create a clustered column chart and there is a range given for this clustered column chart, that is A4 up to L10, and then we are supposed to cut this chart and we will paste this chart in A15. So for this we will first select this range, that is A4 up to L10, and then we are supposed to insert a cluster column chart. So let's select this range. Range has been selected, and now click on this insert tab and go to the chart, this one. So this is the clustered column chart. You can see that we are supposed to insert this chart. Now cut the chart and paste it in cell A15. Now cut this chart and paste it in cell A15, this one. So that is all about step number 2. And now I will do step number 3. You want to customize the column chart with the chart title. Display the year as data series. Enlarge the chart to be easier to read and apply a chart style. Type passenger count at top US airport as the chart title. Then swap the data on the category axis and in the legend. Set a 3.5 height and 11.4 width and apply the style 7 chart style. So these are some formatting that we are supposed to do with this chart. So first we will type this passengers count at top US airport. So passengers count at top US airports. This is the chart title that we are supposed to insert. Right, then we are supposed to swap the data on the category axis and in the legend. So this is the legend of the chart and this is the category axis of the chart, and we are supposed to swap this data. So simply click on the chart and select data, and you can see that this is the legend and this is the category axis. Switch rows and column, and you can see that now the legend and the category axis has been switched. So legend became the category and category became the legend. So that is second thing to do in this step. Now set a 3.5 height and 11.4 width. So click on it and go to format. 3.5 height and 11.4 width, this one. So next thing to do is apply the style 7 chart style. So now we are supposed to apply chart 7 style 7. This is the style 7 chart style. So that is all about step number 3. We did some formatting of this chart. I am doing this step by step so that you can get an idea about this. Now we will move to next step, that is step number 4 of this assignment. The value axis takes up a lot of space for the numbers. You will adjust the value axis to simplify it. Change the display units to millions for the value axis. Added the axis title to display millions of the passengers. So this is the value axis. We will select this one. So select this one, and we are supposed to change the display units to millions. So right click on it and click format axis. So now we are supposed to change the display units. This one is the display units and we are supposed to make this millions. This one. And then millions of the passenger as the axis title. This is the axis title, this one, and we are supposed to change this to millions of passengers. So we have changed the title of the value access to millions of the passengers. So that is all about step number 4. Now we will move to next step, that is step number 5. You want to focus on the 2019 data series by adding data labels. Display data labels above the columns outside and position for the 2019 data series only. So now we are supposed to add the data labels, but we will take care that we are only supposed to add the data labels to the 2019 data series, and the position for the data label should be outside and position. So first we will select the 2019 data series, and you can see that dark blue is the 2019 data series. This one is the 2019 data series. We will right click on it, add data labels, and we will make sure the data label should be outside and position, this one. And you can see that I have added the data labels to only 2019 data series. That is the dark blue in this chart. That is all about step number 5. So we have completed 5 steps so far. I am doing each and everything step by step so that you can get an idea about this assignment and you can do this assignment on your own. So now we will move to next step, that is step number 6. Total steps in this assignment are 16. Apply a fill color to the chart area will make the chart visually appealing. Apply the light gradient accent 1 gradient fill to the chart area. Apply a fill color to the chart area will make the chart visually appealing. Apply the light gradient accent 1 gradient fill to the chart area. So click outside the plot area and you can see this format chart area. But when you will click in this plot area, it will show format plot area. But we are supposed to fill the chart area. So I will select the chart area from here. Now we are supposed to apply the fill, and it should be gradient fill and gradient fill light gradient accent 1. So I will select light gradient accent 2, light gradient accent 1. So this is the fill that we are supposed to use in this step. And I have filled the chart with the light gradient accent 1 color to the chart area. So that is all about step number 6. So we have completed 6 steps so far. Now let's move to next step, that is step number 7. A best practice is to add alt text to the chart for accessibility compliance. Add alt text. The column chart displays the number of passengers including the period as the alt text row. Now we are supposed to add the alt text to this chart that we have just created, and alt text is given here and we are supposed to type this as the alt text. So this is simple task. Just go to the chart, right click on it and click on view alt text. So this is the alt text box, and we will type the column chart display, the column chart displays the number of passengers, the number of passengers and a period at the end. So this is the alt text that we are supposed to add. So I have added this alt text to the chart, and when you will add this, just click on this cross and it will close this box. So that is all about adding the alt text that is required in step number 7. So close this one. So we have completed 7 steps of this assignment. So let me do one more step for you, that is step number 8. Then I will show you the final version for this assignment. So step number 8 is you want to create a bar chart to display passengers count for only 1 year. So it is saying that now we are supposed to create a bar chart, and this bar chart will display the passenger counts for only 1 year. Create a clustered bar chart for the range A5 up to A10 and L5 up to L10, and move the chart to a chart sheet named bar chart. So now we are supposed to create a bar chart, and for this bar chart there are 2 ranges given. First one is A5 up to A10 and second one is L5 up to L10. So we are supposed to use these 2 ranges to create a clustered bar chart, and then we are supposed to move this bar chart to a new sheet. So I will simply select this first range. You can see that I have selected the first range, that is A5 up to L10, and now A5 up to A10, and now next range is L5 up to L10. So click on the control button and press it, and also hold it and select the second range, that is L5 up to L10. So control, hold it, and L5 up to L10. So we have selected the second range, and now we are supposed to use a clustered bar chart. So we can simply click on the recommended charts, it will show the clustered bar chart, or we can insert this from here as well, column chart and bar chart. This one is cluster bar chart. So I will simply click on the recommended chart and I will get the clustered bar chart from here. So this one. So I have inserted this clustered bar chart, and now we are supposed to move this clustered bar chart to a new sheet. Their name should be bar chart. So simply click this chart and click on move chart and new sheet and type bar chart here. This one. So I have created this clustered bar chart, and then I have moved the bar chart to a new sheet. Their name is bar chart. So that is all about step number 8. So now I have shown you 8 complete steps in this video, and only 7 steps are left for this assignment. Let me do one more steps for you, that is step number 9. We want to customize the bar chart. Change the chart color to monochromatic palette 5. So now we are supposed to do some formatting of this cluster bar chart, and we can simply do this by following these instructions. 1 second please. So let me change the color of this bar chart. Just go to the color and monochromatic palette 5. So this is the monochromatic palette 5. So change this one. Second thing to do in this step is enter passengers at top 6 US airport in 2019 as the chart title. Passengers at top 6 US airports. Passengers at top 6 US airports in 2019. That should be the chart title as mentioned in the instructions. So next thing to do is apply the style 5 chart style. So I will simply change the chart style to style 5. This is style 5 chart style. And last thing, add all text. Atlanta had the most passengers. Atlanta had the most passengers. So add it as all text. View all text. Atlanta had the most passengers. This one. So we have added this all text, and now we will simply cross this, or we will simply close this one. So we are done with step number 9. So I have shown you complete 9 steps in this video. I have solved each and every single thing in these 9 steps, and for the remaining 8 steps I will just give you an overview, and I will show you the final version for this assignment so that you can complete those steps on your own. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, my WhatsApp and email is given in the instructions. You can contact me and I will do this assignment for you. Thank you so much for watching my video. Let me show you the final version of this assignment. So this is the complete final version of this assignment. When you will apply all the remaining steps, then you will get a final version like this. There will be a line chart like this that you will create in the coming steps. And then there will be a bar chart like this one. So I have done this assignment hundreds of times, and you can ask me to do this assignment for you. My WhatsApp and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. I request you to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and comments to my video. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will get back to you with another video. Thank you so much again.